happening? Y'all can't see me. None of that. It's okay. I should have got my flashlight. That's what I should have got.
You got the light right there.
No, I'm talking about for when I get down here.
It's okay.
Yeah, what's that? Woo! That boy came out of nowhere. That's your dog. Big B-Lo Mr. Etta man himself. You back up in here with another one of them things, man. And today we about to go and do something that y'all probably think I thought I wasn't gonna do at all, but I'm gonna do it because I'm gonna do it today. And I got the keys with me, man. I got Big Jody Joe over
What's
there.
up, cuz?
What?
Yeah.
What's up, cuz?
What's wrong with y'all? Anyway.
Hey, I ate a strawberry, okay? It might have had too much sugar in it.
Yeah.
So, I'm about to ride down to the shop real quick, man. I'll let y'all know what's going on when I get down there. Nah, you know what? I ain't even gotta let y'all know what's going on when I get down there. What I'm finna do is, man, we finna go and get the box, man. We about to go and pick up Etta James. Etta James, we finna get in traffic with Etta James tonight, man. I've been riding MayRose. You know what I'm saying? MayRose been, we've been doing our thing on MayRose. But, yeah. Finna go and pick up Etta James and get in traffic a little bit. So, yeah. With that being said, I will hit y'all back when I get down there so we get in some light so y'all can see what's going on. But, yeah. That's what we on tonight. Etta James. Bring her to the crib.
Yeah, we're doing that. No, what's up, cuz?
Y'all see off the top we need some boobs. Just earn these tires. I gotta get some tape because I got that dome light just hanging in here from when I took the headline out. Gotta open this door from the outside because the thing in there gone, but I already got some new ones. Open this door. Put some air in this tire. I think this tire low. Let me look. Yep, that look low. Some air in that junk. These folks are eating pretzels. Alright, let me do this. I'm gonna hit y'all right back.
Yeah.
Tie your shoe up. Tie your shoe up. Why you out here playing that dirt in them shoes anyway? Tie them tight. Yeah, man. So we about to go ahead and ski-daddle. Gonna ski-daddle, man. Put that old Firebird up. Ride that old box. See all that old stuff up there. Rust pitting and all that. It's all good. Cause we ain't finna have no top anyway. Thing sound alright, though. Let me go ahead and close this door down. Let me make sure. Make sure ain't nothing in that back seat. Close the door down. Let me hit y'all in a second. Yeah. In the box, Chevy. In the box, man. This is the first time y'all done seen me. Well, not the second time y'all done seen me drive the box. Second time y'all done seen me drive the box, man. So I decided, yeah, I'm gonna get in traffic in the box tonight. I ain't doing nothing. I ain't got nothing going on, so we're gonna slide in the box. Me and the kids sliding in the box. So y'all know I getting ready to cut the cut for the sunroof and stuff like that. So yeah, might be gonna catch up some gas station lights real quick in a minute here, so I can show y'all the box, man. Show y'all what the box looking like. That junk's super dirty because it been sitting outside under the tarp. The tarp broke, tore up. What's raggedy? The box?
Yeah.
You think so? You don't like it?
I mean, the outside is.
The outside raggedy?
Yeah.
Yeah, the outside raggedy.
But the inside, I got these like comfy seats, and the front and the back, real comfy.
She just did a car review on the box. She said the seats are comfy. Him, obviously. Yeah, man. So we just found us a radio station in this joint. So I'm finna turn the tunes up a little bit, Jordan, with the top button right there. The top button, yeah, just a little bit.
If I turn it up too loud,
Right there. Just not too loud. Just turn it up.
I don't know.
Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Oh! 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 Alright, turn down. Hurry, turn down. Alright. Yeah, man. Can't have no copyright. But, yeah, so, yeah. Finna head on to the crib. Head on to the crib, man, and I'll catch y'all in a second. Up here with Picks by Nick, man. In the box. I called Purse. I told her, I said, man, where you at? I'm finna bend you up. I told him, I said, man, Etta James outside. Where you at?
I did want to say one thing.
What?
I was saying that you need to be home for a long time with the gas.
Who? Oh, what's called? I ain't.
Long time. It's a big difference between hating and speaking the facts.
I just left him alone. You see, he ain't really say nothing to me.
You get right about it, but I'm just saying.
Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on? Both of these front tires low. Alright, them junks. Yeah, let me give you some pictures right fast. Look at that. Old MayRose. And no Etta Jane. But this ain't the first time they've been in the same center together. But yeah. Man, I even got some. I had some lights that I had, and I couldn't use them because they was wrong. And I think they fit in the box, so they have it. Some reverse lights. Put the reverse lights on there. Yeah, I need a new one of these. I have to do something about that grill, the impact strips over here is okay. I got some little stuff on there, so get some more impact strips. Impact strip on the front. Y'all done seen the interior in this thing before. So y'all know the interior in here. I showed y'all. I made sure I let y'all see that a long time ago. That the interior one. Prime all this down. Cut that top in there. Cut that roof. Yeah, I know we got that Mini Cooper roof going there, the old panoramic going in there. Brought that thing home one time. I ain't gonna start on it today though. I just wanted to drive it. Hadn't drove it, so get some footage of the box, man. Should have watched it, but it's all good. I ain't ashamed of it. I ain't ashamed of it at all. One of them speakers back there loose. Man, I wish I can get a thumbnail. Nope, this ain't about you. This is not about you, so no, you can't be in the thumbnail. Selfish. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Riding around in the box. Ashley said it don't smell. That don't smell old in there. She don't wanna ride in it don't smell old. It's all good. It's all good. Let her air out a little bit. Y'all ready for this? Is y'all ready? Is y'all really ready for this? Is y'all really ready for the box? If y'all ain't ready, just say y'all ain't ready. But Etta James finna come through. I'm telling y'all now, we ain't finna do nothing crazy. I'm finna paint that jump back the same color. Gold pearl. You know what I'm saying? Maybe a gold pearl. Same color with the gold pearl. Let me see. Yeah, same color gold pearl, man. We gonna see if we can polish these bumpers out, see if they come out cool. If not, we want new bumpers, new headlights. I don't know, it's outer lights, not fog lights, park lights. I think the tail lights are fine. Interior, I wanted to put some burgundy LS seats in it. Know what I want to do? Like ain't nothing on this build finna be no secret. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what wheels yet, but I know they're gonna be 8s. So we're going 8s on the box. MayRose drivetrain going in the box. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? So finna do what we need to do, man. Like I said, I might need to get another fender. I just seen this crack right here. I just seen it. Or did I see that? I might have mentioned that to y'all before. I don't remember. More than likely Dakota Digital. More than likely. What else? Yeah, man, all the goodies for the boxes, man. All the goodies. You know what I'm saying? Console, keeping the factory radio in there, because we got the factory radio in there. We're keeping it. Put a console in there. So that thing, you know what I'm saying? You know, have some little to it. And then we're going to go from there, man. This right here is just going to be a ride around car. You know what I'm saying? We ain't going fast. It's going to sound good. And that's it. Cruising around, look good. You know what I'm saying? We got that sound. If we need to touch on it, we can touch on it. But other than that, it ain't going to be none of that. You know what I'm saying? Like what MayRose on. None of that. I ain't gonna lie. I seen a bubble with some replicas on it. The Chevy Pan replicas. The whole face jumps with the black button in the middle. That looking nice. I think I seen a box. Matter of fact, I have seen a box of them on there before, so I probably ain't gonna do that. But yeah, man. That's how that's working right now. So, yeah. I'm probably gonna close this video out. I just wanted to get some footage in the box because I hadn't got none. You know what I'm saying? The thumbnail finna hit. I'm finna hit with that thumbnail, and then that's gonna be it for this right here. The kids, bruh. When I say the kids love this car, I don't know why. They're like, ooh, we in the box Chevy. We in the box Chevy. Oh man, y'all done made my night with this. So this crazy. But yeah, I'm probably put it back up in the morning before I go to work. And yeah. Finna go and close this out, man. I need to go in here and eat. Dog. Big Beelo. Mr. Animal himself. Out here with Etta James. What's she at? Right there. Out here with Etta James, man. We'll catch y'all in the next one.